Why do we exist? MSMEs make up over 90% of businesses globally. In Nigeria, that number is a staggering 96%. But the majority of them face one major challenge: lack of access to finance. They deal with slow loan reviews, complex requirements, and sky-high rejection rates. As a result, over 80% of MSMEs in Africa shut down in their first 5 years. To survive, most of these businesses fund their ventures by themselves or borrow from family, limiting their growth even before they start. It was this gap that my co-founders and I identified that helped us to build Vendorcredit, a tech-powered marketplace that connects MSMEs to the right funders so that they can finally access the capital they need. Since 2020, Vendorcredit has processed over 22,000 transactions worth millions of dollars, which has helped unlock considerable value for MSMEs without asking for collateral, guarantors, or any of the usual barriers. We've played a pivotal role in accelerating growth for MSMEs, particularly in key sectors where access to working capital directly impacts fulfillment capacity. For example, one of our merchants on a leading FMCG platform began with a single purchase order. With Vendorcredit support, they now consistently process multiple larger POs, enabling them to scale rapidly and meet demand. Our impact is also backed by data. According to our Q3 2024 internal survey, the number of customers achieving 9-figure revenue milestones grew 7 times, a clear evidence of how access to timely credit fuels real business growth. These aren't just numbers, they are proof of continuously solving one of the toughest challenges for SMEs and building a stronger, more sustainable African economy. The goal is that by 2030, we are doing hundreds of millions of dollars monthly in transaction value with over 1 million African businesses scaled. We are building a better Africa where businesses thrive and no longer die out. Join us today. Let's propel growth for Africa's businesses.